Hey, and in this video we're going to talk about nested ifs. A nested if is an if statement that is the target of another if or else. So nested ifs are very common in programming, and the main thing to remember about nested ifs in Java is that an else statement always refers to the nearest if statement that's within the same block as the else statement and not already associated with another else. Okay, so here's an example. So here we have an if next to a condition, and remember a condition is a boolean. So if I is exactly equals to 10, then we have a chain of sequence of events. Then if j is less than 20, a will be assigned to b. And if k is greater than 100, c will be assigned to d. Or else a will be assigned to c. Now in the comments I've written, this else refers to the if k is greater than 100. Outside of this sequence, we have another else statement which says a will be assigned to d. Now this else statement where a is assigned to d refers to the original if statement where it's next to the condition I is exactly equals to d. Now as the comments show, the final else is not associated with the if statement which is j is less than 20 because it's not in the same block even though it's the nearest if without an else. But instead, the final else is associated with the if condition that states I is exactly equals to 10. The inner else within the statement refers to the if k is greater than 100 because it's the closest within the same block. We're going to use this nested if to improve the game that we were working on in the previous video. So here we're going to continue from the game, and if you remember, we asked the user to enter a character and we've assigned the character to the character variable. So in the first condition we asked if the character that they've entered is equal to the answer that we've said at the top here, then print you are correct badass, or else print system.out.line sorry you're wrong. Now we want to elaborate more on this. We want them to, when they give a wrong answer, we can say if character is not equals to the answer, system.out.println try again, or else system.out.println well done. So we're going to stop the video here and I'll see you in the next one where we'll talk about if else if ladder. Bye.